data is such a headache. And like, I just remember spending so many hours just like staring at sheets, like either doing data entry, scraping, like honestly having interns do it. Like it's just not a fun thing. And I don't know, I'm really proud of the fact like it's a lot cleaner and easier to do using us.
We were on a call and I was just like, yeah, there's, based off of the current trend of technology, what you are doing right now, that is going to be entirely automated. And I think we have a unique insight to do it. I was doing some ML/AI work, working in the data space. He was sort of trending into that space, but still having to do some of the sort of held in the anchors of the shitty data entry. And we combined worlds and went like, oh, there's an actual good idea here. We can alleviate what you're currently experiencing.
These people that are like the top tier data providers, right, are really just like warehouses of people overseas, right? Like that was the part that I was like, this is astonishing to me, right? I mean, you had this insight too of like, if you use agents, like that doesn't have to actually be the future.
Yeah.
Right?
It's not longer entrenched in the way that in order to compete, you don't have to hire 1,000 people and wait 3 months to aggregate for a single data set.
If you lose that data, like there's no way of getting it back, right? Like if you've like screwed it up, like it's like this like precious thing, right? Like
if you've accidentally deleted spreadsheet version 8, really final 1.xlsx.
Yeah, no, exactly, right? Like that's what people get fired for. And it's like kind of absurd. Using us, like data becomes iterative and like this ephemeral thing, right? Like you can delete your data set and like recreate it in a matter of minutes. And you can get it in exactly the right format. And if it's not in the right format, you can just iterate and iterate and iterate. And I like, that's kind of cool because that's never been done before. Yeah. The model that we have, right? Like we have our own thing in-house, which is super rare in this space. Oh, yeah. And that's a huge advantage, right? Like we should...
If you want data and you're an enterprise that can't do anything outside of house, you're just sitting in a box working, you should come talk to us. We're the only people that can put one of these types of solutions in-house fully.
I mean, it also means though, like, our cost scale with our customers, right? It means that we have a visibility on our accuracy and we can like report all of the sourcing. We can show you exactly what our agents do and give you the observability, and we can improve over time, right? And like that's the like to me like the coolest part, right? It's like not this like the static black box. You can see everything and you can know like, hey, this is wrong, and you report it. And then when it gets reported, you can actually have a human in the loop check the data. And in checking it, you've actually improved the product for everyone, right? It's a very democratic product.
Yeah. Try to talk to customers and explain that your data quality, it will go up over time. It's like that is not a concept that is in the data world right now at all.
Yeah. And like that, iterating on your data set, being able to have custom schemas, like everything now is like off the shelf, like here are the fields you provide. Have fun.
Also, if you want this extra thing, well, sucks. Maybe find a different provider.
Yeah. And then
for this, you don't need a different provider.
Those things you don't like looking at, PDFs, like doing the web searching, you don't have to do anymore. It's not a headache. Like we can just have like agents do it for you.
We're selling a useful product by doing some really cool things, but first and foremost, we're selling a useful product.
Yeah. It's crazy to think that people like, and like users are like, oh, using your product is fun. Like data is fun. Because like that's never something anyone ever really says, right?
I'm getting excited for, so we did our first decade data set, which took a decade of research in order to make the data set.
We did it in a day.
Yeah.
Like of real time.
Yeah. So I mean, like we just parallelized so hard. We're able to spin up thousands and thousands of agents, and like can't do that conventionally. We're able to do it. So suddenly you have a data set in 2 days, which took a cumulative decade of research.
All right, I think this is it.
Yeah, we got a parade.
Thank you.
Yeah.